Alright guys, today we'll be discussing about the ACCA qualification structure. So here we'll be discussing about what are the pathways to getting the membership, like the exam structure, not the structure of each exam, but like in general, for like let's say what's knowledge level, what are the papers that are included, and what is covered in that uh, particular paper will be discussed in this video. So starting off, we'll start off with the knowledge level, because most of the students will be joining through the knowledge level after completing their GCSEs, the advanced level, or maybe the ordinary level. So once they join, they'll start with the knowledge level. That's accountant in business, management accounting, and financial accounting. So uh, actually, FAB is currently known as business and technology. They have changed the name of the subject, but the content is the same. That's so the first three papers, that's FAB, MA, FA, those are on demand subjects, so you can do it at any time. So once you are ready to sit for the paper, you can sit for the paper. So unlike the other exams which take place during a particular exam session, that is, so there are 4 exam sessions. So unless so if you want to take an exam, you'll have to sit in one of those 4 sessions. That's not the case for those 3 papers. And then we move on to the applied skills level. The applied skills level has the uh, corporate and business law, that's law, and then PM, performance management, tax, financial reporting, audit and assurance, and financial management. So out of these, law is an on-demand exam similar to that of the knowledge level papers. So uh, so all those 4 can be done at any time. Once you're ready, you can book with your with an approved uh, center based exam provider, and you can sit for the exam. So once you complete the knowledge level, you will be given a diploma. So once you complete the knowledge level, and if you had complete the EPSM module, you'll get a certificate with the ACCA diploma in accounting and business. That's a level 4 qualification, that's equivalent to a level 4 qualification in the UK. And so you have to complete the EPSM module. So once you complete that, and if you have completed that, you can download a certificate through the my ACCA account, and you can use it for your when you're applying for jobs or anything. So once you're done with that, so then you move on to the applied skills level. So applied skills level, uh, there are 6 papers. So once you're done with that, you'll be given the advanced diploma in accounting and business. So when you're doing so for this also, you'll have to you'll have to complete the ethics and professional skills module. So it's a one time thing. So if you completed it after the knowledge level papers, so that's it. So then you will be able to download it these access these certificates through the my ACCA account, the portal. So so if you want, so see, it says you can sit for the BSc in applied accounting awarded by Oxford Brookes University. So this can be done if you have sat for FR, that's financial reporting, audit and assurance, and financial management. You have to sit for those 3 exams. You can't get exemptions for those 3 exams. So if you want to get this degree, you'll have to sit and pass for those exams. So if you have been awarded any exemptions, you'll have to withdraw them and sit them if you want to get the degree. So that degree is so you have to submit a 7,500 word report with a SLS, standing learning statement, that's around 2500 words. So you'll have to complete that and submit it to Oxford Brookes University, and they'll mark it and they'll give you a grade, and based on the grade you get for your report and your average total marks for the skills level papers, you'll get a grade for your BSc. That's either first class, second upper, second lower. So that's based on that. So if you want, I can make a separate video for that. I think I'll make a separate video for that, discussing about the grading and the qualification in general. But for now, so once you're done with the skills level, then you move on to the professional level. So in the professional level, there are two essential papers. That's business leader, strategic business leader, and strategic business reporting. Those two are essential, so you can't those are mandatory, you will have to sit for them. So the options, you have to select two out of the four papers. So you have advanced financial management, which is a step up from financial management in skills level, and then advanced performance management similarly is a step up from performance management, and tax audit and assurance, it's the same. So that can be done depending on your preference. So if you like to so it doesn't depend on like, so even if you finish even if you do audit and advanced audit and assurance, it doesn't mean that you have to go in that field itself. But generally it does mean, like, if you're in audit and assurance, it will help as in, like, if you're in the audit industry, or if you're planning on getting into the audit industry, it will help if you study AAA. But it doesn't mean that it's not written on stone that you have to get into an audit industry if you sit for these papers. So once you're done with those papers as well, that then you'll be ACCA qualified. That's once you're done with the papers, you're and ACCA affiliate. So once you're an affiliate, you'll have to complete so once you're done with the EPSM module, which is an online ethics module, so it's totally online. So I think previously they didn't have to pay, we didn't like the students didn't have to pay for the EPSM module, but now they have bought in a fee. I think it's around 65 to 68 pounds depending on your location. uh, so you have to, it's a one time fee, so there is no pass or fail for that. You can keep on doing it, the questions until you pass. You can do it at any time you want, and it's a one time fee. So even if you fail, you can redo the module. So there are, I think, 9 modules in that the whole to get the certificate. So once you fail a module, you can redo it. You don't have to pay any more extra charges. It's just a one time payment you have to make. So once you're done with that, um, then that's the end of the EPSM module. So if you're planning on doing the Oxford Brookes University the degree, you'll have to complete the EPSM module and up to skills level. So you'll have to complete those 3 papers as well, and the EPSM module. So now moving back to the ACCA qualification. So once you're done with the exams, you'll be an ACCA affiliate, and then once you're done with the EPSM module and the relevant work experience, that's the PER, you'll have to complete 36 months of uh, supervised work. So there are 9 performance objectives which you have to meet in order to satisfy the criteria that is required for the ACCA qualification. So once you complete the 36 months of the required training, then you'll become so then you submit your work, and then ACCA will approve it, and then you'll become an ACCA. So you'll be inducted into the membership board. So once you're inducted to the membership, so once you're inducted, then you become a member. Then you'll be an associate chartered certified accountant, and once you complete 5 years of post membership work experience with the CPD, that's continuous professional development, you'll become a fellow chartered certified accountant. That's an FCCA. So once you become an FCCA, it's there are other benefits as well when it comes to getting other qualifications, such as exemptions for CA, ANZ, that's the Australian and New Zealand CA. So there are separate uh, perks as well. So that all depends. So I'll talk about those as well in another separate video. uh, so for now we'll wrap up this video with this. If you all have any more suggestions or anything you all need to know, you can drop it in the comment box, and I'll uh, talk to the management, and we can arrange a small video for that as well. So okay, thank you.